Hey, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Jeremy here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to check out one of my friends' flips. Her name is Hazel. You guys seen her before. She also has her own real estate YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description below. But she has two projects going on, and we're gonna go check them out today. So first one is her current one that she's currently rehabbing, and I'm right in front of it, and we're gonna go check it out right now. So let's go see that. Right here is the outside. Oh shoot, there's Hazel right now. Nice. Wow, okay. This is your newest one, huh?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up, guys?
You guys remember Hazel? Hey, what's up, man?
Joe and Jason.
Hey, what's up?
Jason.
Jeremy, how's it going?
Me too.
Cool. Dang, all right. Got the money in.
Jason and Joel have been flipping for 1 year.
Oh, really?
And
Okay.
they already did 8.
Oh.
They have one in Palm Springs, one in Vegas,
Dang.
one here.
Wow.
Yeah, LA.
Man, are you from here or California?
California.
Oh,
yeah.
damn. Well, props to you for going across the ocean. And
Oh, we
flipping
do a
houses.
lot of out of state. So it's like a vacation.
Wow, dude. So we're kind of like 1 year into the business, and
Awesome.
we're just trying to stay here. So props to you, man.
Yeah.
So we got Joe, Jason, Joe. What's up, Joe? How's it?
Hey, what's up, Jeremy?
So you're part of this. You're part of this project too.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice.
Let me get you.
No. This is your project. This is your project. What's with the Hennessy?
Oh yeah, that's
I like it.
one of our contractors that did our ceiling.
Okay.
He textured the ceiling.
Oh wow, it's a nice ceiling.
Yeah.
So you guys, he did a good job, and obviously you rewarded him with the Hennessy.
Well, yeah, he said, give me a good price and a ball of Hennessy. And we're like, okay, cool, yeah, for sure.
Hey, that's how we do it in Hawaii, man. That's how we take care of you.
And he finished the job,
Dude,
but
yeah.
we gotta stick to our word, We said
yeah.
we give him a bottle, so.
Tell them about the AC, dude. What did you give him?
Oh, we gave him 2 bottles of old fashioned.
Damn.
Because he gave us a real good deal on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
That's the AC.
So they're all about like relationships and
yeah.
taking care of their partners.
Hell yeah, you got to.
And if we say we're gonna do something, we're gonna do it.
Do it, yes.
Yeah.
Here's the Hennessy bottle.
I might just do the Home Depot run.
Yeah. Oh, sick, okay.
So he installed the AC upstairs and it's not working.
Okay.
I saw the LED light over there.
Yeah, he did the LED light.
So you guys are all 3 partners?
Yeah.
All 3 partners, okay. And then, so who found the deal?
The wholesaler.
The wholesalers found us
Okay. Wholesalers found you guys, okay.
And how did they find them?
Yeah.
through our website.
Their
Nice.
website. So you guys do a lot of SEO? Is that what it's called?
Pay-per-click.
Okay.
So
Wholesale gave it to you
we got this house from a wholesaler for $620,000.
625 or 620? 620.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then our rehab cost is $80,000.
Wait,
80,000. Wow.
Wait, say what the wholesale fee was.
Oh, yeah, what's the
Assignment
wholesale
fee.
Assignment fee is $60,000.
You never hear
Fact
that.
check.
You'll never hear that in Hawaii.
Yeah. So is it okay if you guys give me a tour?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay. So right now we're in the living room.
We're
Okay.
thinking about putting like an accent wall right here.
Okay.
No, we will. So let's go to the right.
Go to the right.
Go ahead, tour guy.
This is the kitchen. Appliance coming tomorrow.
Oh wow. Okay.
Soft closing.
Oh snap! Where is it? Soft close. Ooh, that's nice. And then. So both you guys from California?
Yeah.
Okay, and then came here, get shit done,
Yeah.
and then now you're leaving. Okay.
The goal is come here when it's 90% done.
Like, oh, okay.
Finish up.
Wow. And you
But I
had
was
to-
here from the start.
Yeah,
so I was
yeah.
like more like boots on the ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Checking in, making
Project
sure.
manager the place.
Yeah. How important is boots on the ground for you guys?
Very important.
Very
The one in
important, right?
Vegas and
Yeah.
Palm Springs.
It's so important, especially when you're doing multiple projects.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. Nice.
How do you find like the right realtor?
Shameless plugs. Shameless plugs.
How do you find the right
Like the
realtor?
right partnership, like because we never.
Yeah, for sure.
person.
I think we're following the same people, right?
Okay.
So we're following the same investors. So if you have a good reputation, people would actually follow you, right?
Nice.
And your content on social media is very on point. So it
Those-
kind of makes things easier for us to like, hey, we should trust this person.
Nice.
Let's
Okay,
partner
yeah.
up on this property.
So you guys never met in person before?
No.
Wow. But you met through social media?
I
Social media, guys! I'm telling you!
learned, so I learned most of my social social media from Jeremy. I bought his course. He's like, just keep posting, and he's like, use social media as your resume.
Yeah, there you
and
go.
then I
People
saw.
don't need to talk to you these days. People need social media.
I found Jason on Instagram. He was in a limousine. I was like, dude, what do you do for a living?
Yeah, baller.
He has like data, like skin tracing data.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow.
So I was like, okay, give me some of that.
Very tech savvy.
And
Nice.
then we just stayed connected through social media.
Nice.
And
Okay.
then we found the Hawaii property. Like, Hazel, I got something for you.
Boom. There you go.
I was on
See.
top of mine.
Nice. See, so you never know what social media could lead to, like what experiences or what opportunities. Nice. Okay. And you guys did a good job with this kitchen too. So like.
Jeremy, how many deals you got from social media?
All of them. all my deals.
No pay-per-click.
Yeah, literally just. Hey guys, we got any deals?
All me! Hey, Jeremy!
We go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs.
Jeremy, do you ever see this in Hawaii?
No, not like this.
No, like
Oh, that.
storage.
I would be afraid of that storage. Like, the master, I'm guessing. Oh wow.
So ceiling's almost done.
Nice.
The whole house had popcorn ceiling.
Oh wow. Okay.
So we had to scrape that out. Somebody had to scrape it out.
And that was included in the 80,000 rehab.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty decent size. Big in it, and then
High ceiling.
high ceiling. We got the master right here. Wow. Master bed. Nice. Living room.
And the third bathroom in here.
No.
3 beds, 3 baths. Wow.
Yeah, we have a bathtub.
Yeah, especially for families.
At least one
Yeah.
bathtub.
Yeah.
It's a little tiny room.
Bedroom. All right, guys, that's it for this project. Thank you so much, Jason and Joe and Hazel. Oh, there's Joe.
You're welcome.
Nice meeting you
for coming.
guys.
Nice meeting you too.
Definitely don't miss your flight.
Yeah.
You gonna be in Vegas?
Yes, sir. Next week. Let's do
I
it.
hope so.
What's up, Hazel?
What's up, guys? Let's check out my second flip.
Let's
That's
go.
Not for sold yet.
So this one is already done. It's on the market. And it's listed for how much?
$945.
$945. And it's, from what I see, is on a huge plot of land. And this is in the same neighborhood as my first flip. I don't know if you guys recognize this neighborhood, but it's in Lower Makakilo. So really great neighborhood.
Remember when you're at your old flip
Yeah.
and you're like in the backyard, you're like,
I'll put a clip of that right here. But yeah, so I guess, yeah, show me the place.
okay, so let's
So this-
check it out. So that's the
front.
front door,
Mm-hmm.
but let's enter.
Honestly, yeah, everyone will be
Oh
going
yeah,
through here. You
this
park
is
here.
the selling point.
Okay.
Right here, back here.
Okay, we'll start from the back. Oh, wow. Oh, shoot, this is huge. Dang, how many...
Everyone in Hawaii wants land, and here you have it.
Here you go.
You're sitting on a 7,000 square foot of land.
Ooh, plenty of yard for bang. Dude, you could do so much here. You could put a gazebo, you could put a pool maybe. Do your due diligence on
Like,
it.
you know, extend your house.
Yeah, extend your house. Wow.
Come on in.
This is awesome.
So, this is the first room. We call it like the flex room, like an office room.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Flex room. Nice. Flexing.
And this was actually open. So, we didn't have this wall, and it was just a bathroom, like a shower and a toilet.
Okay.
But the master had a half bath, so we just closed this off and made it the master bathroom. It's so hot in Makakilo.
I know, dude. It's hot.
We fully renovated the kitchen, nice countertops, soft closing,
Ooh.
doors with black trim.
Ooh. Boom.
Like, okay, black trim.
Yeah.
You'll see
I
it
love
throughout
it.
the whole house.
I really like this. This is cool. Where'd you get this?
Amazon.
Amazon. Nice.
Very unique.
Yes.
Black ceiling fans.
Wow. You need that in Hawaii, especially on the west side.
Throughout the day, it's kind of breezy.
Well, Hazel, this is a really nice project. It really reminds me of my first project.
So, Jeremy, when we first met,
Yeah.
I think it was May of last year.
Yeah.
I bought your floors, and I sat at your house, and I was like, hey, what should I do, Jeremy? Should I get my real estate license? And then you're like, yeah, just do it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Just do it. But I already invested in Ryan Panetta's course. But the thing is, like, when you're investing, looking for deals, it can take some time.
Yeah. Take some
I was like, okay, let me just like, you know, get my real estate license. I always wanted my license anyway, so this is a great time. So I got my real estate license. I followed your course. I keep posting on social media. There was this one post I made, like a walkthrough of someone's fixer-upper, and this person reached out to me, and she was going through some rough times. Like it was gonna be like a probate sale, and she reached out to me, and I kept touching base. 3 months later, I listed her house.
Oh wow!
So me as a new agent, like I got my first listing from social media.
Boom! There you go.
So I'm like social proof because you know your course. Like I just followed everything that you said. Like keep posting and share your story, be vulnerable.
Yeah.
And that's how I, you know, got my first listing. As a new agent, you never get a listing off the bat, but
Oh, yeah, especially if you're new.
Yeah.
Like working with buyers is more common when you're starting than
Yeah.
listing agent, right? Because I feel like listing agents, you're handling their home, their asset.
biggest asset.
And I feel like that takes a lot more trust and experience. To gain trust, you need to show that you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Versus when you're working with buyers, like especially first-time home buyers, pretty much they trust you already because like, you're the expert and they don't have any assets yet. It's like, hey, help me find one to buy. So, good job, dude.
I know.
Good
This
job.
was a listing. It was we listed it at like $699, and then I sold her property for $749. Right?
Oh wait, isn't that Evan Beach one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So that
Okay.
came from social media.
So you
and,
got your first listing, social media, you killed it. How was the owner, like what was her emotions after that?
yeah. So she was like, she already had someone in mind, but she kept following me, like stalking me, like my posts. And trust me, when I made my first post, I'm like, like I had to record myself like 10 times.
You like mess up,
Yeah.
you're self-conscious, and it's like, oh, I said
I say all
right?
the time.
Same.
Yeah.
But after a while, it's like, who cares,
Yeah.
right?
So I just kept posting,
Yeah.
and she just stopped everything. She's like, she felt my vibe, and she trusted me just from seeing my posts.
Wow. P.S.
Yeah.
P.S. Hazel has something to say.
Jeremy, just want to say thank you so much for all that advice. Because when I met him, I was just getting started in real estate investing, and he was like, get your license. And I think right now I'm more focused on being an agent. But you know, if deals come my way, I already have that education. But a lot of people ask me, hey, like, I want to get my license and go into investing. What Jeremy taught me was focus on one thing and go all in.
Yeah.
But then, I focused on two things. You're like, hey, I thought you were going to focus on being an agent. I was like, I'm just going to do both.
Why not? Especially
because,
in this, in this market, right now it's like kind of fluffy. Just do what you can to like find deals, find clients, and just help people basically. Because at the end of the day, it's all about helping. Oh yeah, and if she can do it, you can do it.
But yeah, I would highly recommend even his, your realtor course? Real estate Rockstar course.
I'll put a link in the description
Yeah,
below.
because that was super helpful. Like you talked about joining a small brokerage or a high-end brokerage, and that was super helpful.
Oh yeah.
Because I got my license and I'm like, okay, what do I do?
Yeah.
And you just like gave me the whole blueprint and added social media to
There
it.
you go. The good stuff.
The good stuff. So you guys should buy it. It's worth it.
Well, thank you. Oh, sorry.
Buy it. It's worth it. I already made like $30K off of it.
There you go. And soon to be more once these deals close. So yeah.
All right. Thanks, Jeremy.
Thank you. Woo!